fighter. Ain't nobody can stop me 'cause my God is on my side. I'm a winner. Got to believe in it. You know that I'm a winner. Got to depend.
My name is Tahji and my average in GSAT is 92.8. Preparing for GSAT was like any other child's preparation. I went to classes, I went to Saturday classes, Sunday classes, and I did extra lessons after school. So when I got home, wasn't much time to study, but I still had enough time to put in a little effort into the studying. I would say task, the communication task was the hardest because well, it was an essay and I guess I strayed from the topic, and I just got nervous and couldn't execute as well. But I would say the language was the easiest for me because I participate in debating competitions and spelling bee competitions, so my grammar and punctuation is usually good. I like sports and reading. So I did a lot of sports in my spare time. I did football and cricket. Can't run, so I didn't do track and field. Reading, I like mystery books. Hardy Boys, I have a lot of those. I'm not in that class with the sprinters, but I can say that I'm fairly well in my speed. I would like to be a lawyer when I grow up, a criminal lawyer, because I've heard I'm a good negotiator and a good speaker, so I guess I can woo the judges in my speech and see what I can do for my clients. I'm looking forward to a new adventure at Calabar. See if I can try for the sporting activities and bring up the academic standards. Well, they already have good academics, so I'd like to continue in that path. Well, the only advice I can give is work hard and study hard and pay attention in classes, so what you put in, basically you get out.
When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in my prime.
My name is Ariel Richards. I am 11 years old and my average for GSAT was 93.2. Well, I get a wide variety of books to study from and extra classes other than school. I would go on online websites to prepare and I'd read over my notes and books. The easiest was maths because if you didn't get the right answer, you could find many other ways to try and get the right answer. And the hardest for me was communication task because it took more hard work to find the right words to put in the composition. Well, I got the grades that I wanted for maths, social studies, language arts, and science, but not for communication tasks. In my spare time, I'll be practicing on my piano, practicing my ballet, and reading. In the future, I would want to become a pediatrician because I like children and I wouldn't want to see them being sick and feeling sad and everything, so I'd like to help them out. Just do your best because your best is good enough, and then just leave the rest to God.
Congratulations to Taj, Ariel, and all the other students who were successful in GSAT.
When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in my prime.